friends, I'm Grishma and you are watching my channel G Tutorial. Today's class is on square roots. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for getting more RRB J related videos. Now let us get to our questions. We can see what is square root of a number. Square root is that factor of the number which when multiplied by itself gives that number. It is denoted by this or this. So, if you are asked to find the square root of 49, then it is 7. That is, it is a factor of a number which when multiplied by itself, 7 into 7 gives 49. This is called square root of number. Square root of a number can be obtained by two methods, prime factorization methods and division method. In prime factorization method, we have to factorize the given number. If we are asked to find the square root of 36, we have to factorize it. That is 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 3. We have to express this 36 as factors of prime numbers. So we can express 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We have to form pair of similar numbers. And we have to take 1 out of each pair. So 2 into 2, we have to take 1 2 outside. From here also we have to take 1 3 outside. So 2 into 3. 6 is the square root of 36. Square root of 36 is 6. This is a method we adopt in prime factorization method. The next method is division method. In division method, if you are asked to find the square root of 1024. Here we have to form a pair from the unit digits, that is from this side. So this is a pair and this is another pair. If there are more numbers, you have to pair those two. Next is we have to perform log division. First step is we have to find a number which when multiplied by itself gives either 10 or a number less than 10. So 3 is that number. 3 when multiplied by 3 gives 9, which is less than 10. Now take the remainder, 1. Next is, you can't take 2 down. You have to take the pair downwards. That is, 124 is the remainder. Now we have to multiply this 3. This quotient by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now you have to fill this gap and here by same number which when multiplied gives 124 or number less than 124. First we are taking 6. 1 into 1. 61 into 61 is 61. It is less than 124. Now we can check for 2. 62 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 6 into 2 is 12. So we got 124. This is the perfect choice. So 2 and 2. 124. Remainder is 0. We have to perform this until we get remainder as 0 or if the number is not a perfect root, you can put decimal point and find at least 2 decimal point a number which is the square root of the given number. So here we have obtained a perfect number as the square root of 1024. Square root of 1024 is 32. Now we can see some rules that we can use while solving problems in square roots. The first rule is root of AB is root A into root B. Next is root of A by B is root A divided by root B. The third one is value of root of X plus or minus, root of X plus or minus, root of X plus or minus, etc. up to infinity is we have to just factorize X as consecutive numbers. Factor of two consecutive numbers. If A and B are the consecutive factors of X and if B is greater than A, then in case 1, if this sign is positive, if the sign is positive, the answer is the greater factor, that is B. And if the sign is negative, the answer is the smaller factor, A. So for an example, if we are taking root of 20 minus, etc., then we have to factorize 20. 4 into 5 is 20. So the answer is 4 since here the sign is minus. In the next And the final rule is root of x into root of x into root of x is just x. Now we can do some problems based on these concepts. This is the first question. If root of 1 plus x by 144 is equal to 13 by 12, find the value of x. In normal method, we are just squaring both sides. So we will get 1 plus x by 144 is equal to 13 square 169 by 144. We will take this 1 to that side. Then we will get 25 by 144. Then we will multiply 144 into that. This is a lengthier process. You just need to do only one thing. X is equal to 13 plus 12, which is nothing but 25. This is the answer of this question. So questions asked like this can be easily solved by just adding this numerator with the denominator. Next question. If root of 4 raised to n is 1024, then find the value of n. If you have to equate the exponents, you have to express the base as same. So this is the base and this is the exponent. We can write root of 4 raised to n as root of 4 raised to n by 2. Root of 4 is 4 raised to 1 by 2. So root of 4 raised to n is 4 raised to n by 2, which is equal to, express this in terms of 4 raised to something. 4 raised to 5 is 1024. Now the base is same, so you can equate the exponent. So n by 2 is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2 into 5, 10. Next question. If root 5 is 2.24, root 6 is 2.45, then the value of root of 2 by 3 plus root of 5 by 6. We are asked to find root of 2 by 3 plus root of 5 by 6. First thing we have to do is we have to separate the roots. So root 2 by root 3 plus root 5 by root 6. In order to add two terms, we have to make the denominator same. That is, we have to take the LCM. In this case, let us multiply. LCM is root 6. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator by root 2. Then we will get root 2 into root 2 by root 3 into root 2 plus root 5 by root 6. Then we will get root 2 into root 2 is 2 divided by root 3 into this root of 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So root 6 plus root 5 by root 6. So the denominator is same, so we can add the numerator. So 2 plus root 5 by root 6, which is equal to 2 plus value of root 5 is 2.24 divided by root 6 is 2.45, which is equal to 4.24 by 2.45 or 425 or by 245. If we do it, we will get 1.73 as the answer. Next question. This is the next question. The value of root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 plus etc. So we have seen that we have to express 6 as factors of two consecutive numbers. 2 into 3 gives 6. So if the sign is plus, we have to take the larger among this factors the answer. So 3 is the answer of this question. Next is find the value of root of 5 into root of 5 into root of 5 into etc. The answer is just 5. Next question. If a is equal to 0.1039, then the value of root of 4a square minus 4a plus 1 plus 3a is. We can rewrite the question. 4a square minus 4a plus 1 outside the bracket plus 3a. Here we are given the value of a. Then we have to find the value of this expression. Let us have a look at this term. This term can be written as 1 minus 2 into 2a plus 2a the whole square. 2a the whole square is 4a square. 2 into 2 is 4a minus 4a 1. 1 square plus 3a. Then this is the expansion of root of a square minus 2a plus b square. 1 minus 2a the whole square. Expansion of this gives this term. So square root Square root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by 2. So, this term is actually 2 raised to square the whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 3a. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So, we will get this term. So, it is 1 minus 2a plus 3a, which is 1 plus a. So, 1 plus a is 0.1039, which is equal to 1.1039. This is the answer of this question. Next question. This is the next question. Given that root of 1225 is 35, then the value of root of 12.25, root of 0.1225 plus root of this. What is the value of this term? To solve this, we can write 12.25 as 12 within the root 12.1225 divided by 100 gives this number. Next number is 1225 divided by 1000. Next is 1225 divided by 6 zeros. Okay. Now let us take the root. Root of 1225 is 35. So 35 by root of 100 is 10 plus 35 by 2 zeros 100 root again 35 by we have to take 1 0 2 3 1000. Root of 1000 is root of this number is 1000. Next is 35 by 10 is 3.5 plus 35 by 100 is 0.35 plus 35 by 1000 is 0.035. So 3.5 plus 0.35 plus 0.035, which is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3.885 is the answer of this question. Now we have covered so many questions from the topic square root. If you are having any doubt, you can comment below. Please give your suggestions. Thank you.